Ko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba ganyan? Kailangan lumisan ka. Ang tanging hangat ko lang ay ang makapiling ka. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. At kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka.
I hope you comprehend. 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 I hope you comprehend.
Another day, I took a shower and I went on my way. I stopped as usual at our coffee and pie. When I turned to leave, I couldn't believe my eyes. Standing there, I didn't know what to say. Without one touch, we stood there face to face. And I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you.
This is a test of the emergency broadcast system.
How you doing, party people? Yeah. Well, this is Andrew E. once again, and I'm gonna do a song that you've never heard before.
Let's give it a shot. You and I on the court, time ticking on the clock. Baby, I'ma try to score, cause you the hottest on the block. Nothing dim in your light, but all the options that you got wouldn't ever treat you right. No, I don't need a telescope to see that you're the one, but I do need your time, and if it ain't yours, I'd rather have none. I don't need a fortune teller to tell me my fortune. I have a million signs that my fortune just begun. You got me jumping like
Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka.
wanna hold you down.